viewers, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here. So finally I am here with a long form video for you guys. So today I am here with a bunch of products and I really want to talk you through all these products because I feel they are amazing. And these are from Aroma Treasures, and this is the face wash, which is a lavender face wash. I'll definitely tell you what will this do to your skin. Plus there is a cleanup kit. This is a very essential thing in your skincare routine. Like every month twice you should do this thing right here. And then I have a manicure and pedicure kit because I really want a good pampering session just at home. So yes, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. So yeah, I'm even going to demo it for you guys what these products are going to be. But let me just give you a little bit of brief. So firstly, I'll be talking about the face wash right here. So I have the lavender face wash, which is very calming and soothing for our skin. So that's why I just thought, why not a little daily dose of lavender, because that is definitely going to make my skin feel very refreshed, plus calm me down, soothe my skin. And the next product I have is the Aroma Treasures Cleanup Kit. As you can see, this is a Papaya Cleanup Kit and it is for all skin type. Now cleanup is very important, not only for me, like for everyone. Like at least 2 cleanups a month is very required, so your skin can just breathe and feel very nice. And whenever you slap on all your products, like the skincare product, it absorbs better, because like cleanup is something which is going to go very deep into your skin and take out all the gunks out. So this is something I definitely recommend. Like I've been using this from a while, so I know like cleanups are very important. And then a little pampering session for me, as I got the mani pedicure kit, and this is a very amazing product because I feel this is going to give a little refreshment to my feet and even a little bit shine to my hands, like for both definitely. And I absolutely love doing manicure pedicure because I love growing nails, and even I like wearing different kind of shoes, so this really works for it. So now I'm going to demo all these babies for you and you will definitely see a difference. So I'm going to first remove my makeup, change my clothes, and there you go. So there I am back. I have just wiped my face with water and the makeup wipe. So yeah. So now I'm going to use the lavender face wash from Aroma Treasures, and this is how the packaging looks from inside. So this has a plastic bottle which is definitely recyclable, and the shelf life of this product is 12 months. This is absolutely cruelty free. It's not tested animals. It is a vegan product, GMP certified plus FDA approved, and Aroma Treasure is a purely Indian made product. So as I've shown the packaging, this is the cap and it has a pump right here, and you can see this has a very liquidy gel-like consistency. So as this is a lavender face wash, this smells exactly like lavender. So as you have seen, this lathers up quite well but not very foaming, as it has very less amount of chemicals, and this has 92% natural to naturally derived ingredients. As this is enchanted with pure essential oil and vital natural actives, free from paraben, sulfate, petrochemical, silicone, synthetic, perfume and harmful ingredients. So this contains 100 ml of product and retails for 240 rupees. If you're someone like me who enjoys the fragrance of lavender, lavender has a lot of skincare benefits, so that's why I just saw this on the website and I thought, why not, let me just get my hands on this, because definitely working for me. So I'm just gonna wash this. And the next product I have is the Aroma Treasures Papaya Cleanup Kit, and it is for all skin types. So papaya contains enzyme that increases collagen production and improves the skin elasticity. It is anti-aging and improves the skin texture and gives a natural glow. So as you can see right here, there is total 4 steps in here, and I'm going to use all of these. Plus there is additional one more step, and that is taking a steam. So yeah, let's start with the cleanup. Papaya gel step 1, and you have to massage and cleanse gel with little water and wipe off. This smells really amazing, and I'm just going to massage this. This smells exactly like papaya. It is very cooling. It has a little tingling effect as well. So you have to apply this and massage it for 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna wipe this off after 5 minutes. So the next step is the scrub, and I'm going to use this now. So I really like how the scrub is. It is very small. The granules and the particles are very small. It's not going to harm your skin. So yeah, let's just scrub it. So again, I have to use this 5 to 10 minutes. So the most affected area for me is my T-zone, and that's why I am concentrating more in here. So I'm just done with 5 minutes of scrubbing my face. Now I'm just gonna wipe this off. So now I'm going to go and take a steam, and that will do what it is going to open my pores. And even the next step after the steam, I'm going to use a cream, and that will help me get all the gunks from inside, deep down inside my skin. And yeah, so let me just go and steam my face. So guys, I'm done with the steam. Now I'm going to move on to the next step, which is the third step, and this is the papaya cream. So again, I have to massage this for 10 to 15 minutes, and now I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just take a little bit of water. So finally I am done massaging my face, and now again I'm going to just wipe this off. After massaging the cream, I have even gone with this little tool right here to remove a little bit of whiteheads and blackheads, like just on the top of my nose area and even on the chin. This is something I absolutely feel gross about, so that's why I did not wanted to shoot it. So yeah, that was the extra step that I have included. Now I'm going for the last and the fourth sachet. So this is a face pack, and I'm applying this all over my face just with my fingers, because right now my fingers are the most cleanest tool that I have. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to leave this on till it dries a little bit, and then I'm just going to wipe it off and wash my face. So guys, I'm done applying the mask, and even I have let it dry for a couple of minutes. Now I'm just going to remove this. So guys, that's it. I'm done with my cleanup. You can see I'm feeling very fresh, and there is a really nice shine to my face. As you can see, it is well nicely cleaned. I feel very baby soft skin right now, so it feels really nice to touch. And yeah, so that was it for the cleanup. Now I'll move on to the next product right here, which is the Mini Pedi kit from Aroma Treasures. So this is the Happy Feet and Hands Mini Pedi kit, enhanced with essential oils of rosemary, tea tree, lavender and lemon, extract of chamomile, lotus, calendula, hibiscus, jaipal, licorice, barley and brahmi. And as you can see, the direction is already given in the box, so you know how to use it and if you are using in the right direction or not. So just follow the box. So first I'm going to use the cuticle cream, as this is the first step. As you can see me applying right here, I'm going to massage this for about a minute and then just soak my feet in the lukewarm water. Plus, let me tell you, all the products from Aroma Treasures is free from paraben, sulfate, synthetic perfume and harmful ingredients. So you can trust their products, and it is also Indian made. They have multiple products range in their website. You can surely check. I'm going to provide all the link in the description box. Now I'm going for the second step, which is the lavender salt scrub, and I'm going to soak my feet with this for next 10 minutes. Like you can see me doing, I have even removed my toe rings and made sure that my hands and feet are soaked well enough. Now I'll be moving on to the next step, which is the lemon tea tree feet wash. I am going to wash my feet and my hands with this. I'm just gently massaging this, and you can see this has lathered up quite well. As I said earlier, the products are non-chemical based, so it is not very foaming. So I massaged this at least for 2 to 3 minutes and then washed it off. Next I'm going to use the scrub, and this is the lemon apricot scrub. And I did massage this on my feet and even on my hands quite well, and you can see this was really gentle. Again, the particles were very tiny and doing the job perfectly. It should not be very chunky and hard for your skin, so I really appreciate the brand. They have kept the granules very mild and soft as well. So I kept massaging this for next 10 to 12 minutes and washed off. Now I'm going for the step 5, which is the manicure pedicure cream, and this made sure that whatever moisture we have stripped off from the scrubbing and other thing, this will restore and moisturize the hands and feet. So again, I did massage this for 8 to 10 minutes, and even I let that sunk into my skin and massaged it quite well, so this can absorb the goodness of the cream. And you can see me using this all over my feet and hands. I did not leave any part, and yeah, that is what I have done. Made sure that it is well soaked so that I get the full nourishment. Next I'm going to apply the mask all over my hand and even the feet. You can see me doing very gently. I am applying this and rubbing this so it coats all the areas of my skin. So this was the last and the final step. You can even use a cling wrap to wrap it around and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. I just applied and left it so that it can air dry on its own. Now you can see the result right here. My hands and my feet were really happy as the product claims. So that was it for this video. Do let me know if you enjoyed, and if you're going to give these products a shot, I will surely recommend this because this did wonders to my skin, my hands, my feet, plus even enjoying the face wash as my daily routine. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below. To buy all the products, check out the link in the description box. I hope you are going to enjoy using all of these, and if you enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comments below. And that's it for this video. Love you all. Bye.